ladies and gentlemen, what do you think so far of Sean D. Tucker and the one-of-a-kind Oracle Challenger? Well, at this time, I would like to suggest that you get on your feet and get your cameras ready. Direct your attention to the grass area behind and to either side of the Thunderbirds, and you will see that there are 3 sets of poles out there. Sean starts with wheels barely 5 feet above the ground as he dives underneath the first ribbon that is suspended between that first set of poles. Right now, looking out through the top of the canopy, Sean is trying to find ribbon number 2. Once in sight, he continues around the canopy. Second ribbon, and underneath ribbon number 3.
Oh my God, you did it! I know!
And now, as Sean pitches it up and rolls his way off at the top, he is going to show you the world's smallest inside loop. This is called the alley-oop. That half roll with the exit down to air show line is our indication that the show line is obstruction-free. And Sean is now ready to attempt to slice all 3 of those ribbons in one single pass in 3 separate flight attitudes. Right knife edge, left knife edge, and finally inverted. Diving in now from the left, Sean's looking for 210 miles an hour, 18 feet above the ground. He rolls it into right knife edge flight. Left knife edge, number 2, and finally inverted to take out the 3rd and final ribbon. Oracle Corporation is the world's largest business software company. For more than 30 years, Oracle has led the industry through continuous innovation and a relentless focus on customer success, providing reliable, secure, and integrated technologies that give customers access to knowledge they need to become leaders in their industry while responding to market conditions with speed and agility. Today, Oracle provides database, middleware, and collaboration products, enterprise business applications, application development tools, and professional services for organizations worldwide. Now, as Sean dives in from air show right, watch for the nose to pitch up suddenly. 1 3/4 outside snap rolls to Sean in his climbing knife edge flight, which we call the slider.
Oh my gosh, I want to do that!
Get your cameras ready. Sean is about to turn inbound for his low altitude, low speed photo pass. And again, let's go live to the cockpit. Sean D, you're on.